Guys, this is where I am morning. I was just passing by and I heard a noise like sweet, sweet, sweet. I thought maybe it's a bird. Then when I fixed my gaze, I saw there were only one chick. I ran fast at home to collect a bucket. And now, as you can see, these are the turkey chicks. We are in the bush. That one which I told you, that turkey is hiding somewhere very far away from our home. And now he has got chicks. Can you see it? Can you see it? It's biting me. Can you see it? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? But me, I'm not scared. I'm not scared. Yes, I'm not. Yes. Yes. Yee, my Lord. My Lord. The Lord is my shepherd. They are now five. Five. Yeah, look. It will bite me. Look. What is this? But can I leave that? Yee, my Lord. Oh, eggs, have aged. Hey, the Lord is my shepherd. Oh, eggs, have aged. Oh, eggs, have aged. Oh, eggs have aged. So there is no point to leave it here, guys. Are we together? Now I'm gonna take the mother now with the lovely now. The mother, because already well done.